This video will show you how to replace a cracked Kindle Fire screen. This is not a hard job. It will probably only take about 30 to 45 minutes to complete once you have the replacement screen and tools ready. I ordered the replacement touchscreen from Amazon.com for approximately $24.99. Tools you will need: a heat gun or hair dryer, small Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic or nylon pry tool, short, wide, flat head screwdriver, and a microfiber cloth.
Make sure to power off the Kindle before starting. Step 1. Pry open the Kindle case. Take your flathead screwdriver and gently pry open the case. You will work your way around the edges until the case comes apart. This may take a few minutes, but just take your time and avoid damaging the plastic case.
Step 2. Disconnect the battery. Using the nylon pry tool, gently but firmly disconnect the battery connector. Use care to not damage any other surrounding parts on the circuit board. Step 3. Remove the digitizer cable. There are only 2 screws to remove on the digitizer cable. Once removed, put them in a safe place. Using your plastic pry tool, you will unsnap the cable flap and the cable can then be gently moved back. Step 4. Removing the cracked glass. Turn your heat gun on low or the hairdryer on high and go around the edges of the glass to loosen up the adhesive under the glass.
You will now use your plastic pry tool to lift up on one edge of the glass. Starting from the edge, you will slowly work your way around, lifting up the glass, being careful not to go too far in with the pry tool, as that could cause damage to the LCD screen underneath. This process may take several minutes.
You may also need to reheat the glass several times while doing this due to the cooling of the adhesive. This screen was cracked up pretty good, so be careful when handling the sharp glass.
Step 5. Remove any loose adhesive and any small pieces of glass. Step 6. Remove any dust or marks from the LCD screen.
Step 7. Remove the protective film from the glass. Step 8. Remove the protective film from the adhesive strips. Step 9. Installing the new glass screen. Push the digitizer through the slot and then gently push the edges of the glass down so the adhesive sticks to the plastic. Step 10. Plug in the digitizer cable. Step 11. Screw in the digitizer cable. Step 12. Reconnect the battery connector. Step 13. Snap the case back together again.